Hi everybody, and welcome to my second video of Rx-178 Gundam Mach 2 A.E.U.G prototype mobile suit, and let's get to it. And I made this. It kept me like 1 hour, 2 hours, and I can't remember 1 or 2 hours. The most very fast I built is 4 parts. It's one on the top is a jetpack. I'll show you in the back in a minute. 1 and 2 is a beam saber attached, and so you can use his both arm to reach it. And here's Gundam head sticker on the front and back, and here's this Vulcan pod system. It reminds me from the Rx-178, the Vulcan gun, and 2 vents, and plus the chest, and also the legs, and his foot. That's pretty fun, and the shield, pretty easily to build fast, and there's like 2 stickers on it, and I thought there's gonna be more stickers, and you can still use some leftover when you bought from Gundam box. Like, it can be also GM2, and so yeah, and let's head to the back. And here's the jetpack on his back, and here's the holder to attach the for the hyper bazooka. I'm holding it. I'll get to that. And to attach for his shield. And this one I think is shield. If everybody tell me with this part is still attached to shield, that'll be awesome if you tell me. And leave a comment. That's cool. And here's the camera sensor I was talking about. I mean, Gundam head. Here's the shield. The legs you can move. And let's get to the weapons. Here's the beam rifle, my favorite one, and it's pretty fun to build this. And this one is the hyper bazooka. I call it bazooka. If you've seen it from the Gundam 0083 Stardust Memory anime, it was pretty good and very soundable, like the 80s, 90s. And I like the anime. And if you watch it, what you think is good or bad, I still like it. It's a good sound theme, and so yeah, this one I put a sticker on it, plus also the beam rifle. If you see it, that's cool. And you probably seen it like from the GM79 Type C. I will get through that. Again, order one from Amazon. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe. And it's gonna be more fun. And when I get the PlayStation, the PS4, about gamings and anime and plus also a retro arcade of like NSK Capcom, including my Nintendo Switch too. I'm still working on it, and connect the TV and record on YouTube. That's it. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.